Good morning. And just now, activity for today, the Philippine Conference of Planning Project for for next contract maybe 2040 But before we start, we said previous conference, we request Raven to give his short prayer, with the solution.
Let us pray. Heavenly Father, come to you today asking for your guidance, wisdom, and support as we begin this private conference. Help us to engage in meaningful discussion, allow us to grow closer as a group, and nurture bonds of community. Lead us with your grace, Lord God, as we make decisions and continue to remind us that all we do today, all that we accomplish, is for the pursuit of truth for your greater glory. We ask this through Christ our Lord. Amen.
Congress, we have the roll call of attendance by Margie.
Good morning. Welcome to online Saturdays private conference, May 3, 2021. Let's bring with us the Rock Chairman, Engineer Sheridan B. Gonzalez, back members, Engineer Clyde M. Estrella, Engineer Adelaida C. Hobson, Head Back Secretariat, Engineer Yoncho S. Abad Jr., and back members, IBAC Secretariat, Engineer Loribet Ann Santiago Garcia, Marty A. Abrio, yours truly, back TWB, Engineer Randolph A. Villanueva Jr., Engineer Mark Anthony Huputan, Engineer John Roland Apigo, Representative from PDS, Engineer Karina Victoria Pierre, Engineer Majid Artitola, Back Secretariat, Jessica Balisnomo, Camille Nana, Reverend Joy Marquez, and Ranuel Ricon. We have no representative from the COE and the NGOs, and Madam Chairman. Okay, good morning everyone. Since we have a quorum, I now call to order the opening of pre-bid for 24 AE0108.
Okay. Again, welcome to this private conference. This private conference will be held at least 12 calendar days before the deadline for the submission and receipt of bids, but not earlier than 7 calendar days from the previous posting of the invitation to bid. This private conference shall discuss, clarify, and explain the different aspects of the project of the procuring entity with prospective bidders, the requirements, technical comprehension components, including questions and clarification placed by prospective bidders before and during the previous conference. Our first agenda for today is the brief explanation information about the project to be discussed by Engineer Javier.
Good morning.
Morning. Our private has a contract ID of 24AE0108 entitled project information, location, San Fernando and San Juan, and the appropriation is 2,895,000, and the ABC as submitted is 2,820,000 with a duration of 120 calendar days and a target of stainless steel rainwater collector consisting of 7 tanks and a total length of pipes of 336 meters. The scope of works are as follows. First is the construction of wall footing, then the construction of concrete pedestal, the plumbing works, and the stainless steel tank horizontal including attachments. First is the CMP, the first quarter, CY 2024, the ASL rates as of for the 26th edition, DEO 44 computation of estimated project duration, canvas price of materials, cooling cost analysis of materials, updated labor cost as of December 2023 in the locations. Here are the specific scope of works. First is the other general requirements, the DPWH and the COA project billboard or signboard, the occupational safety and health program, and for the earthworks, the structure excavation, embankment, both from roadway structure excavation and from barrow. And for the plain and reinforced concrete work, the structural concrete 3,000 PSI and the reinforcing steel deform grade 40. And for the finishing and other civil works, first is the plumbing works, the cement plaster finish and the CHP non-load bearing, which is 6 inches thick. The rainwater shall be installed in 7 barangays, 3 in San Juan and 4 in San Fernando City, La Union. First is Barangay Tangdangla, San Juan, La Union, with an ABC of 402,857.19 pesos. Barangay Nagituban, 402,857.19 pesos. Barangay Lubing, San Juan, La Union, and Barangay Madayagdeg with the same ABC. And for Barangay Parian, Barangay Kadaklan, and Barangay Namtutan, the same ABC. Here is the typical plan. As you can see, this is the foundation detail, which consists of wall footing of 0.2 and 0.4 dimension with a 310 mm longitudinal RSB and 10 mm transverse RSB space at 400 mm, 400 mm. With an earth fill and a 2 pieces CHB with a 6 inches thick and a 10 mm horizontal RSB space every layer of CHB and 10 mm vertical CHB space at 300 mm. It has a concrete slab of 100 mm thick with 10 mm RSB space at 300 mm concrete. This is the stainless steel horizontal rainwater tank elevation. All types of roofings are acceptable. These are the scope of works for the planning po, and this is magiging final output natin. Here are the geotag pictures. First sa Dangdangla, then sa Nagituban, and then sa Lubing, sa Madayagdeg, Parian, Kadaklan, and Namtutan Barangay Hall. This rainwater collector will serve as the water will serve as toilet flushing, cleaning, and garden purposes only. That's all. Thank you.
Okay. For the next agenda, it's the review the performance of the documents to be by engineer Roland Pitigi.
Yeah. Ay, ikot mo kaya sa baba.
For today's private conference discussion for 2480-0108 with an ABC of 2,819,996 and 24 cents with a bid fee of 5,000 and a contract duration of 120 calendar days and the schedule of back activities. Advertisement of invitation to bid is from April 26 to May 2, 2024. Issuance of bidding documents from April 26 to May 16, 2024. And pre-bid conference today, May 3, 2024. And receipt of procurement bids is on May 16, 2024. And the record pickup license, size range, small B, license category, CND, largest single project, less than or equal to 15M, and rate 30 million. In the minimum work experience for project manager, minimum of 2 years, project engineer, minimum of 2 years, materials engineer, DPWH accreditation, and foreman, minimum of 2 years. Okay, thank you. For the next agenda will be the review of documents to be submitted by the bidders, and the explanation of criteria and procedure for eligibility check, detailed evaluation of bids, for qualification and award, be discussed by Reverend Jeff.
Good morning. For the documents to be submitted by the bidders, bid submission may be done manually or electronically. However, bidders should only select one mode of submission, either manual or electronic. Similar to manual submission, the guidelines for the preparation and submission of an electronic bid are contained in DPS ITV Class 21 and year number 57 series of 2020. All electronic bids must be sent to the email address dpwh.lowly@yahoo.com. Each bidder shall submit one original copy of the first and second components of its scope. For the checklist of technical and financial documents for technical proposal, Class A legal documents, valid field job registration certificate, for technical documents, statement of the prospective bid and reports on government and private contract, including contracts awarded but not yet started. Statement of the bidder's single largest completed contract, special pickup license in case of joint ventures. Original copy of bid security in the form of a surety bond. Submit also a certification issued by the insurance commission or original copy of notarized bid security declaration. For bid validity and bid security validity period, complete days of the date of submission documents. For project requirements, which shall include the following: organizational chart for the contracted bid, list of contractors' key personnel, list of contractors' major equipment units, original duly signed omnibus form statement. For financial documents, the prospective bidder's computation of net financial conducting capacity. For financial proposal, original duly signed and accomplished financial bid form and other documentary requirements under RA number 9184, original duly signed bid prices in the bill of quantities and duly accomplished detailed estimates form, including a shop summary sheet of indicating cash flow by quarter. For the criteria and procedure for detailed evaluation of bids, post qualification and award, the financial component of the bids of each past bidder shall be evaluated using non-discretionary criteria, including arithmetical corrections for computational errors, and thus determine the correct total calculated bid prices. The bank shall automatically disqualify any total calculated bid price which exceeds the agents. The following factors are to be considered in the evaluation of bid prices: for bid evaluation, completeness, arithmetical corrections, verification of legal, technical, and financial requirements. That's the function.
Okay, thank you. And our next agenda is the other matters to be discussed by Engineer Bernard Eagle.
For QAS requirements, first, the accreditation of the contractor CV assigned to the project should be valid during the project duration. Second, the contractor's AD should prepare and submit a QCP to this office once they are issued with notice documents or the ATP, and this is to be reviewed and checked by the DPWH materials engineer. And all construction materials that are listed within the test requirements that are to be used in the project should be subjected to testing or to be issued with certification or whichever is specified based on Volume 2 and DO 49 series of 2021 or the department's blueprint. And testing of materials is required to check its compliance to standards and specification before incorporation to work.
Okay. The next agenda will be additional information about the project to be announced by our chairman on check.
Okay, so for all the prospective bidders for the project that has been discussed today, please take note of all the information and the important requirements that were discussed. Take note that please be reminded that the opening of bidding of the said contract is on May 16, 2024. So are there other announcements from the box provider? Okay. So they do not have any announcement. So if there are no other clarifications or announcement, I now short this activity for today. Thank you.